Hello guys, welcome to the channel. I hope you all are fine and doing great. Today we are going to discuss this GFG problem of the day, transfiguration. So, in this problem, what we have to do, we are given with a two string A and B, and we have to find out in how many minimum number of times or in how many minimum number of steps we can make them both string equal. And what operation we can do, we can take any number, any character from string A and put it in front. Like here we take R, put in front, then take O, put in front, then take F, put in then take F and put it in front. So it will look like 4 gigs and minimum operation will be is equal to 3. Okay, similarly here we just need to take out C, put it, sorry, yes, we just need to take out C, put it in front, then B, put it B in front, then what our string will look like BCA. So the minimum number of operation are 2. Okay, so now let's move on to the solution. So first of all, we need to check out whether we have sufficient element in our string A so that we can form our string B. So for this, what we do, we will take an unordered map of char and int and increment each character index in my map for in A. Like for each character of A, I will increment this character count in my map. Then for each character in B, I will decrement the count of that character in my map. And at last, I will check if the count of any character, that is I dot second, is not is equal to 0. Means it is greater than 0 or it is less than 0, then I just return -1. Means I have more element or I have less characters. Okay, like in A, if it is not is equal to 0, then it can be negative or it can be positive. Negative means I have less number of that particular character in my string A, but I need more number of character in B. And if it is greater than 0, then it means I have more number of characters in my string A, but I require only less number of character in my string B. That's why I can never be able to make A is equal to B. That's why I just return -1. Okay, so now guys, what I do? Okay, I am explaining you this one. So suppose this is a string, like take an example of a string like T T G. I am just uh, writing a string randomly, and we have to form it like T G T G. Then guys, what we have to find out now? You can see the last part of this string, whether it is this much, it is this part, it is this part, or it is complete string. Okay, the some last part of my string will always be formed by some string of this. Okay, you understand? Like here you can see G occur here, then my T occur here. Okay, then my G will not occur beyond it. So guys, what can I say? I can write this string as T comma G together, and I can use my G and my T, that are my left character, in the front of this string in the order in which I want. So because our requirement is like this, so I will put down it as, so the minimum character we require is equal to 2. Okay, now take some other example. Like here it is K S F O R GEEKS, and the next one is 4 gigs. Okay, gigs and gigs. Okay, so now this is our string B, this is our string B, this is our string A. Okay, okay, so as you can see, this character is formed by this character. Okay, so you can say this continuous string is formed by this, so these all characters are equal. Then I have these three characters which I can use in any order in front of it, that I can use in any order in front of it. Okay, now I have to find out any s. I found out s, then I need to find out k. I found out k. So similarly we found a string geeks that is completely feasible here. Now I am at it is index 0. So after completing we will at I is equal to -1. So as -1 cannot be an index, so I just break out from the loop and I see I have three characters. I have three characters. And what is this character? F, O, and R that I can use. And the my left string is like gigs, and I have three characters that I can use in any order, like F, O, R. Suppose if my front string is like it is like O, R, F, then also I will require three character. Why? Because my this string is formed by this and by this. So I left out again with three character, but now okay, and the character are FOR. Then I will use them in order. In which order? I am telling. In which order I will use this? First of all, I will cut down F, put out in front. Then I will cut out R according to the order that I need here. Okay. Then output out R. Then I will take out O and put out O. And I can see in 3 steps I can make my complete string. So okay. So what is the main functionality we have to do? We have to find out the most left part, the most right part, sorry, yes, the most right part of my string b that is completely formed by some part of a. Okay, like here gigs and gigs, some part of a I can use it directly, and all the character between this, all the character, like here it is if suppose if I have some character like this and have one for here, then EEKS and FOR GEEKS again. I think you not able to understand it. Like if I have some character like here EEKS and all the left string is similar to FOR and GFG. All the same is to F to G. Sorry, kicks, because last character is S. Then I will count out I will count like, and my starting string, my base string is like 4 4, and gigs gigs it is also is equal to gigs. Okay, and it is equal to 4. This is gigs. I try if I can delay. Yes, yes, now it's looking good. So now you can see my gigs. I can form my gigs from this gigs. Then I have gigs. So then I have EKS. Sorry. Okay, suppose one more here. Else we cannot be able to form this string. Okay, because I have one E extra. Now, if my string is like this and I don't have this E, then I can never be able to form A to B, because my unordered map will contain E is equal to -1, because here E comes 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 times, and in this string our E comes only 1, 2, 3 and 4 times. So okay, so our E will remain 1. So that's why I have to put this E to make the count of E equal, so that we can do operations. Okay, so here suppose this is our string, so I can form this EEKS by this GE by this. Okay, so now my string is complete. I am at here I is equal to -1. Okay, what happens? I is equal to -1. Okay, I just come out from the loop, and now I have these three character left in my string. Okay, then I can use these character in front in any order I want. If this is FOR, this is OOR, FF, like in any order, because I have to take only one character, so I can take that one character according to my choice. Okay, according to my reference. Okay, so what I am doing, I am taking a count that will store the different character I have. The unused character you can see I have, that is not in the left part of my that is not come in the this part of my string b. Okay, I will start a loop. I is equal to a dot size minus 1 means will represent the end character of the a. J will represent the end character of my b. Okay, and I will run a loop while my I will be greater than or is equal to 0. So if my both character are equal, then I will do, I will decrement the count of sorry, the index of a as well as b. But if my character is not equal, then I increment count and decrease the count of my, like here when I compare this gigs with this gigs and I am finding a s I found here 4, then I will decrement my I to O, then to O, then will s. I will found a count, then I will decrement both count. Okay, I will found E, I will decrement both count. I will again found E, I will decrement both count. Okay, now I will found E. Now I have to find this. Now my I is at this. I is equal to R, J is equal to E. So not equal. Decrement my I is equal to O. Decrement again it. F, decrement again. E is equal to E. So decrement both. Both are equal. Decrement both. So now my I is equal to minus 1 and we just break out. So for this 3 and this 3 times, I will increase my count. Okay, then at last I just return my count. Okay, so I am showing you by running it. So as you can see, this is a accepted solution. GFG accepted this. So I hope you guys like it, and if you have any doubt, then just comment out. I will try my best to explain you. Yet if you like it, if you understand the code, then please subscribe the channel, like the video, and check out my channel for more GFG and lead code problems. So thank you for watching this, guys.